ElementsKit 4.0 is here. Faster, more accessible, and AI ready. Here is what we have changed. We revealed how ElementsKit loads its assets from the ground up. CSS and JavaScript now loads per widget. If a widget isn't on your page, the assets don't load. That alone cuts total walking time by up to 80%, improve ACS scores by around 50%, speeds up Largest Contentful Paint by 16%, and boosts overall mobile performance by around 40%. On top of that, we remove over 1 MB of duplicate font files and 11 MB of redundant data from our plugin. Same features, but dramatically less weight. We audited every widget against WCAG 2.1 AA. That means real keyboard navigation, proper screen reader support, and visible focus indicators. Every accordion, tabs, pop-ups, and menus now has correct ARIA roles and full keyboard support. So with ElementsKit, accessibility is now built in. ElementsKit now works with Elementor AI assistant Angie. Now you can use it to generate headers, footers, mega menus, and insert templates within seconds. And it happens inside your Elementor editor. Just prompt and build. That's ElementsKit 4.0. Head to your WordPress dashboard and update today.